thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make wood hoop earrings out of macrame rings. This is a very inexpensive craft, it is totally customizable, and it's a great activity to work on right now, especially if you are like me and you are stuck inside. So the first step is just going to be to cut your ring. It's also the most difficult step, so if you have access to a Dremel tool or some sort of table saw, that's probably going to be the quickest way to do it. But if you don't like me, you can use a hand saw or a coping saw. I would highly recommend having some sort of clamp to hold the ring in place while you cut it. Please, please, please be careful. We don't want anyone accidentally cutting themselves. If you use a hand saw, you'll notice that the edges are probably a little bit rough. So you're just going to want to grab some sandpaper and grind those puppies down till they're nice and flat, because one of those sides is going to be what is going up against your ear, and you want the earring to look nice and flat. So now that you have your two earring pieces, we can move on to the next step, which is also my favorite, and that is painting. So once you finish painting, the next step is optional. I just like to finish it off with a nice coat of varnish. If you don't have any of this, some Mod Podge works just as fine. Now once your varnish has had time to dry, it is time to move on to gluing the earring posts onto your wood hoops. I highly recommend purchasing something that is nickel free or gold plated like these. I got them from Hobby Lobby, and I have sensitive ears and I've not had any issues with these before. To glue them on, I use the E6000 glue. It takes a little bit longer to dry, but it has a really strong hold once it's finished. So once you attach everything, I recommend just letting it sit overnight to dry. That way you know it'll be nice and secure. So once you let the glue dry, your earrings are ready to wear. They are super lightweight, and it's a lot of fun to be able to customize them to an outfit that you have that you really like. It's a great way to add a pop of color to your daily routine, and they're just a lot of fun to make. So I hope you learned something and enjoy. If you have any questions about this project or suggestions for future projects, please leave them in the comments below. I like to see what you guys are interested in. And just thank you for watching. I will see you next time.